Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. Garden is a piece of property near or around our house where various trees, flower, fruit, vegetables and so on are cultivated. There are many type of garden including flower garden, fruit garden, vegetable garden, botanical garden and medicinal herbs garden. People are growing fruit or vegetable garden near their homes. These gardens are known as garden of the kitchen. Some of the college also have their own garden to work in for their learners. Thus, the essay of gardening is an insight into some of the best practices used for gardening. Here, you can see different types of flowers, different type of plants in gardening is the important part of a good life. When you want to spend, you should have a good garden. If you are interested in gardening, it keep healthy as well. Seeing greenery outside in near us give us good impression to us, and it is very really pleasant. As you can see flower, there is a lot of greenery over here. Houses look beautiful with greenery. The black meadows and the flowers are looking so nice, and if we want to have addition in that, then we want to grow some vegetables as well. Gardening is a best hobby we can adopt. Gardening is a very skillful hobby. Gardening requires utmost dedications and care. A garden is everyday place for the owner. Gardening includes the growing of plants and flowers, maintenance of the plant, and the timely care of them. It is a tricky business, can face difficulties in the beginning. It is not an easy task. Growing plant takes patience, planting seeds on the ground and regularly watering it would not suffice after factors such as soil, fertilizers, the surroundings, temperatures, the measures, etc. They also need special sunlight for